Hello children, good morning. Just a moment before your exams. Hope you are ready for your board exams. So we all know very well about the details of this applied maths paper. This paper is for 3 hours and the total marks are 100. Out of this 100, 80 marks theory. That is what this coming 9th we are going to write. It's a 3 hours paper. It contains MCQs, short answers, long answers and case studies. The chapter or content for the exams are numbers, algebra, calculus, probability, inferential, time-based data, financial and linear programming. We all know very well of all these details. Suppose you are the one who is planning or struggling to get the pass mark. In the coming 3 days, you can very well focus on the numbers and quantification, very simple chapter which has more subdivisions. So it is a weightage of 11 marks. If you focus on this chapter, modular arithmetic is very easy and simple. Definitely you will get some 3 to 4 mark questions from that. And algebra, matrices and determinants, for sure you can get 10 marks if you focus on this chapter. So here 10 mark, at least you can get 3 mark question, minimum 3 mark questions from number quantification from the modular arithmetic part. And calculus, differentiation is very simple and easy because in class 11 also you have studied differentiation. So some 5 to 6 mark questions you will get from differentiation. So for minimum of 5 marks you can score from differentiation. Maybe probability distributions, the first part alone, expectations, finding random variable thing, you will get some 2 marks. Okay, so even if you leave these rest of the things, you can score 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 15 plus 5 20 marks. And one more chapter is LPP. Just you inequalities you solve and you make a graph, you will get 8 marks, some minimum of 5 marks. So for sure 25 marks if you focus on this selected topics in the coming 3 days. Minimum of 25 marks you will get, plus practicals. It's an Excel activity, so 20 marks for that in the internal part that you will score. So very decent score of 45 to 50 marks easily you can score. So focus on this. So it contains MCQs. MCQs also easy. Just go through, read the thing well. You can choose any of the options and you will score mark. Very short questions. Very simple and direct questions will be there in the very short questions. Short questions, maybe 1 or 2 twisted questions will be there. Long answer questions like financial maths, inferential statistics, LPP, probability, such cases you will get long answer questions. Then case study will be from the simple algebra, probability kind of things. So little more focus in the coming 3 to 4 days, 3 days. Okay, you can score a decent score. So this is how the question pattern will be. First 20 marks for MCQs. Out of the 20 marks, 18 will be direct MCQ. Remaining 2 will be assess and reasoning. If you wanted to score more mark on assess and reasoning, follow the CUTE technology. CUTE. Read both the statements of assessment and reasoning. If both the statements have the connection, one statement is connected with the concept of the other statement, option A. Use, if the assessment is using the reason, or if the assessment is tackled by the reason, like this. Okay, so use the CUTE technology. If you want more clarification on this, go to the channel and check the assess and reasoning playlist. Then very short answer, 5 questions, 5 into 10 marks. Short answers, 3 mark questions of 6 questions, 18 mark. Long answer 5 mark questions of 4, 4 5s are 20. Case based questions, 3 questions will be asked. Out of 3, out of each question you will be getting 2 1 marker and 1 2 marker question. In the 2 marker question, internal choice will be given. Same way in the short answer, long answer questions also. 2 short answer question, out of 5 only 1 internal choice will be there. Other 2 sections, 2 internal choice questions will be there. So total 38 question including those internal choice questions you have to answer. There is no overall choices. This or that options only will be there. So as I said earlier, you have 10 mark for the year-long project and 10 mark for the Excel activity. Year-long project, somewhat you would have started in the beginning of the academic year and you would have submitted now. So this score of 10 marks are based on your project, and the practical work, some Excel activity and file maintenance would have been done by you or your teacher's instruction. So this 20 marks for sure you will be having. Okay, and when you go to the exam part, this is a general instruction given in the first part of your question paper. Read it carefully because here the internal choice matters are all written. These details you all know very well. Why I am giving again here, calculators are not allowed in the applied maths exam, but we have so much small minute calculations. So in these 3 days have a recap of how to use logarithm. If possible, I'll put one more video on usage of logarithm. Okay, all the best. Focus on these 3 days, be serious and do well your applied maths exam. All the best.